You almost did say, hey guys, welcome back.
3, 2, 1. I wish you could flip the screen. Can you just... I don't want to do this. Okay, I'm gonna...
Go.
This is why I don't talk on my videos. This is scary!
Just say, hey guys. Okay, ready?
I thought there was something in my eye. This is not gonna work.
I won't look if you don't want me to.
What do you mean? You can't even... Oh, look at me?
Yeah.
So you're just gonna stare at the floor?
Okay, just go ahead. Or I won't look.
Huh? Ellie, why are you staring at the floor?
I actually don't know why.
Just
I got
stare at
stressed
me.
out.
It's okay.
Just
You're
do it.
staring
Just
at
do
me
it.
with one eye.
Okay, I can't help it.
Okay, just move the screen back. Just make sure you don't get my shoes in it because I got little slippers on. Your eyes are crossed because you're looking at me. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. Okay, just hold the camera in front of your face. Like, this is so hard. I wish you didn't have to be in here.
Just do it. I'm
Okay,
fine.
3, 2, 1. You just say it and I'll move it.
Do I need to write some script?
No, I've got myself under control. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Y'all are probably wondering where Daddy is.
I can't cut. Well, I can, but it'd be like, No, I was gonna say like, I did like, this is the model kind of thing. You know, those are kind of cool.
Yeah.
You gonna try it?
Sure.
This is the model. Oh no! Stand by. So I come over here to show y'all the unboxing, and all of these models are in the way. Daddy doesn't show y'all, but this place is actually really junky. No offense, Daddy. But he just kind of tidies up for his videos, so now I have to tidy up so y'all aren't getting distracted with all this model collection. Stand by. Okay.
Call
Where
Daddy.
in the world are the lights?
Hello?
Hey, how do you turn the lights on where you do like your box things?
No, it's good.
I like it like that better. His videos look cold. Let's get some ASMR. Okay.
I was just
Here we
thinking
go.
that.
You ready? Oh yeah, and by the way, if you can tell that the lighting is different, it's because I chose a different lighting setting than Daddy does, because I feel like his videos always look cold and depressing. Okay, I think that anyway, that shows you how much, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the body. It just looks like a normal body.
We need something else to talk about.
That's,
Just do it.
I don't think that I would. What was I gonna say when I was over there? I would not drive any of those monster trucks. Definitely not that one. It literally just, it looks like a trash can or something with wheels. Behind the scenes stuff. Bloopers. I'm going like, now the music.